This video contains material that may upset or offend some people. Discretion is advised. It is a hunting video.
The block we are hunting in is tribal land, no poachers, and no 1080 poison.
Under a bunch of trees up here. Okay.
Yes, kia ora and g'day. We are hunting for fallow deer, and a lot of deer come through those pines to feed on the grass, and that's where we're going to chase them today. If you have 10 minutes time, you can come with us and enjoy this hunt. Alright. Atua, please give us safe and pleasant hunt. Thank you. On the way to the base camp, and it takes another 45 minutes drive from here. And once we get there, we get our gear out and head out to see what we can see and what we can shoot. Right, today we're going to hunt the edge of those pine and native bush and see what happens. A lot of deer come through to feed on the grass, and that's where we're going to chase them today.
There's a couple of spikies there.
Look at that young fawn. Could be about a week or 10 days. The mother must be pretty close somewhere around here feeding. See if we can find her. I don't want to disturb them. I just crawl in front. See if I can see the mother. There she is. A fair distance actually. She's about 50-80 meters. Well, we'll just let them be.
Back in the opening. Yeah, they all stay. They all stay. They all stay.
All the stags.
The spike is what we want.
Two stags.
spikies. Let's see. Oh, fuck. Couple of spikies there. White color, the one in the front. Yeah, if I just take him, doesn't matter if it's white. I can't remember. Yeah, definitely spiky. We might as well go for them. Come, James. Just one over there, like down, mate. Hey. Yeah, put one up. Gently, gently, gently. Yeah, it's a nice spiky. Really good one. Come. Line up. Yeah, line up. Wait till it turns. Not now. Okay. Back at it. Wait. Oh. Until he gets down. He's gonna go into the flat. Just wait. Turn to the left, mate. Well done. Well done. Well done. Oh man, it's gonna go all the way down to the trees, which is good. Really nice. Right, beautiful. My great ancestors look after the soul of this deer and guide it to the north, to Cape Reinga, for its soul to depart New Zealand to its birthplace and motherland. Nice shot, mate. This isn't really YouTube friendly. Bloody beauty. It's going to feed a lot of people. Hey, I'm not sure. Looks like a stag and a hind. There's a spark in here. I saw two spikies, one dark one and one spotty one. The dark one facing us is definitely spiky, and the other one is a spiky to back at it. Oh, fuck. Oh look, Rice, they stopped, mate. Yeah, set it up. Gingery one. I'm on him. I'm on him anytime. You hit him? You hit him? Don't need to shoot him again. No, don't shoot him.
He's been hit badly. Go and find the deer.
Lying there. Alright.
Better than that. You might. Fuck. That's the shot you want, eh?
My great ancestors look after the soul of this deer and guide it to the north, to Cape Reinga, for his soul to depart New Zealand to its birthplace and motherland.
And what you see there is the roof of the base camp. And it's about 45 minutes or so walk from here. No worries, we'll get there.
Reach there, down to the camp.
Get that pajamas off.
Hey guys, thank you very much for watching our videos. I appreciate your support. Hope you enjoyed this trip and you take care and alright. Hey, come on. Hey. We hope you enjoyed this hunt.
We hope to see you in New Zealand sometime.
Kakitiano.
And he says we'll see you later.
Alright. We give tons of meat and meat products every year to friends and families and those people that they cannot afford to buy it. Jamaica, stand strong and be forgiving, my brother.